Hello students, today in this video we will discuss the speech delivered by Nelson Mandela after taking the oath as the President of South Africa. Student, it was really a very humble but quite impressive speech. Let us read the speech first. See, here the speech starts. What he writes, I said, today all of us do by our presence here confer glory and hope to the newborn liberty. Out of the experience of an extraordinary human disaster, now human disaster here refers to the apartheid system, that lasted too long, must be born a society of which all humanity will be proud. So here in these lines, Mandela welcomes the newly born liberty, that is the new Democratic Republic of South Africa. He said that the presence of a large number of world leaders and dignitaries as well as the representatives of the South African people would give glory and hope to the newly born democracy in South Africa. He asserted that the country had experienced the tyranny of apartheid, here it refers to as the human disaster, for a long time, such a long time. Yet he was very optimistic of the fact that a new society would emerge that would be based on the principle of equality and liberty. He talks about humanity will be proud. Here he says, all human beings would feel proud and nobody would be discriminated. So this is his view, his hope that what will happen in South Africa. Now see the next part of his speech. Here what he writes, we who were outlaws not so long ago. Now outlaws, he refers to South Africa's isolation in the world community. South Africa was isolated. No country maintained diplomatic relationship with South Africa. So that is referred here as outlaws. Outlaws refers to a person who violates law, who acts against the law. South Africa was not the government, the white government in South Africa was not working in accordance to the international law or the conventions of the United Nations. As a result, the world community, they boycotted South Africa. So that has been referred here by Mandela. Okay. And further he writes that have today been given the rare privilege to be host to the nations of the world on our own soil. So for a long time, no country in the world had any relationship, and now today all the world leaders, they had assembled there. So that he acknowledges that now the Republic of South Africa became a part of the rest of the world. It was welcomed by the whole world, and for that he expresses his gratitude to the world community. He says, we thank all of our distinguished international guests for having come to take possessions with the people of our country of what is, after all, a common victory for justice, for peace, for human dignity. So here Mandela talks about a common victory for justice, for peace, and for human dignity. So here he declares, he asserts that the victory of South Africa is not victory confined just for South Africa. It is a victory for the whole world. And that gives Mandela a new dynamic to his personality, that his vision, he didn't talk about only South Africa, he talks about the world. And that makes him a great leader. Next he says, we have at last achieved our political emancipation. We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty, deprivation, suffering, gender and other discriminations. So here he gives his vision for the future, what he planned for the people of him, what he dreamt, what was his dream for the people of South Africa, that he has outlined in this speech, that his government will work against to eradicate poverty and deprivations, the sufferings of human beings. So the government will work for the well-being of all people of South Africa. So that was his vision for the future. And then he says, never, never and never again shall it be that this beautiful land will again experience the oppression of one by another. Here he reasserts that in future, in the days to come, never again South Africa will go in the past, what he had experienced, that will not happen again. People will not be subject to discrimination in any kind, in any form. In future, never again it will happen. Democracy will survive and live there forever. So this is his optimism. The sun shall never set on so glorious a human achievement. So here is human achievement refers to the success of Mandela's fight against apartheid, and he says that it will never be failed. His freedom movement, whatever his movement has achieved, the freedom that the people have gained, the liberty that people have achieved, that will never come to an end. It will ever exist in South Africa. So this was his optimism. So on the basis of this speech, we can conclude that Mandela was a very optimistic person. He never let his hope die. What he dreamt, it came true. He experienced all sorts of oppression, brutality, humiliation, and injustice. Still, he never let his hope die. And there lies the greatness of this man. So with this, we come to the end of the explanation of his speech. In the next class or the next video, we will discuss the inside questions here. 5 questions are there. So that I will discuss with you all next time. Till then, goodbye students.